Today we are at a real home service call. The customer complaint is simple. The fridge door is not sealing properly. When we close the door, it looks closed, but actually warm air is entering inside. Now this small problem can create big issues. Ice buildup, food spoiling faster, compressor running nonstop, higher electricity bill. So let's diagnose step by step. First thing I always check, the rubber gasket condition. Act like inspecting. Look closely here. You can see this corner is slightly loose. And this side has hardened rubber. When rubber becomes hard, it loses flexibility. And when it loses flexibility, it cannot seal properly. Now, before replacing, we try a simple repair. Step 1. Clean the gasket properly. Most people ignore this. Dust, oil, food particles build up here. That alone can stop proper sealing. Use warm water and mild soap. Take a soft cloth. Clean inside folds properly. Make sure you clean all 4 sides, especially corners. After cleaning, dry completely. Now we test again. If still loose, next step. Step 2, heat treatment method. This is very effective. We use normal hair dryer. Why? Because heat makes rubber soft again. Turn dryer on medium heat. Do not use too close. Keep some distance. Move slowly along the rubber. You'll notice rubber becoming soft and flexible. Then immediately close the fridge door. Leave it closed for 30 minutes. This helps rubber reshape properly. After 30 minutes, check seal. If still gap present, then we check alignment. Step 3, door alignment check. Sometimes problem is not rubber. It's hinge alignment. Check if door is slightly down or tilted. Loose hinge screws? Tighten them. Use screwdriver and adjust carefully. Now check again. If rubber is torn, cracked, then replacement is best option. Replacement is simple. Remove old gasket gently from groove. Some models have screws, some push fit. Pull slowly. Don't break inner lining. Match new gasket properly. Start fitting from top corner. Press inside groove firmly. After installing, again use warm air lightly. Close door and allow it to set. Final test. Take paper strip. Close door on paper. Try pulling it. If paper pulls easily, seal still weak. If paper resists, seal perfect. Now fridge will maintain temperature, reduce compressor load, save electricity, keep food fresh longer. Small repair, big difference. Always remember, most fridge problems are small, but ignoring them makes them expensive. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next Real Repair Guide.